So I can use the pendulum to help guide me, and it just slows me down. And slowing down and slowing into um, stepping out of that crazy mode, like that in itself can be enough. So that's really, yeah, it has been very empowering. And funny, I mean, this is my business is empowered business.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
my tagline I use is be empowered, be empowering.
Yeah.
Because I think that's how we all grow.
And you've definitely embodied that now, haven't you?
Yeah.
You're definitely authentic with it.
I did not foresee this 12 months ago. No, no,
Yeah.
not in any realm was this a possibility for me 12 months ago.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And a conscious business, a soul-led business is what the empowered business is for you. It is you, right? Your business is an extension of you, and businesses, children, family create your soul growth lessons 100%, right? So you can stand up there in front of your team and say, I